Hello, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Shivakumar.
Your
I'm
group
to check auscultation of the patient.
of the patient heart, yeah?
Heart.
Okay, please start first point.
Yeah. In the clavicle, behind the mid of the clavicle, there is in fifth intercostal place. There is
Okay, stand left side. If you want counting left side of the patient. Okay, please.
from the clavicle mid of the clavicle.
Yeah.
There is in fifth intercostal phase.
Okay.
Behind
Second,
1.5 centimeters.
third.
Fifth.
1 second.
Behind 1.5 centimeters.
Okay, inside. Okay, put your fundoscope. Now you need stand right side of the patient. Okay. Listen. Your fundoscope listening? No, mitral valve point. Okay. You listening sound?
Yes,
Small down. Okay, next point. Next point name.
And there is a
Second point.
in right side there is a
No, point name tell.
aortic
Aortic valve point. Located second intercostal space. Which side?
right side.
Okay, please listen. Next point.
And there is a tricuspid valve.
No. After aortic valve, which valve? Pulmonary valve. Okay, where located?
Left side of behind.
Opposite.
Left side of the sternum.
Which intercostal space?
Second intercostal.
Okay, please listening. Second, yes. Next point.
After there is a tricuspid valve inside the
Xiphoid
xiphoid process
of the sternum located. Okay, listen. Your fundoscope working?
Yes.
Okay. Next point.
Next one, there is a tricuspid valve.
No. Next point name. Fifth. Botkina. Yes, downside aortic valve. We assay Botkina Erba points.
Yes,
Okay, listen. Which intercostal space?
third.
Okay, listen. No. Slowly down.
Yes,
Okay.
Thank you.